Tired of trading crypto in the dark? Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison DEXTools vs Uniswap to illuminate your DeFi journey. First up, DEXTools. Think of it as your DeFi data command center. It's not a DEX itself, but a powerful analytics platform that pulls in real-time data from various DEXs, including Uniswap. See those charts. DEXTools offers advanced charting tools, allowing you to track price movements, volume, and liquidity changes for thousands of tokens. You can also deep dive into trading history, identifying whale movements and potential trends before they hit the mainstream. The Pair Explorer lets you analyze liquidity pools and trading pairs across multiple blockchains, giving you a complete picture of the market. Now, let's switch gears to Uniswap. This is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, that allows you to directly swap cryptocurrencies using its automated market maker, or a model. Its permissionless nature means anyone can list tokens and provide liquidity, making it a hub for emerging crypto projects. Swapping tokens is straightforward. Simply connect your wallet, select the tokens you want to trade, and confirm the transaction. Keep an eye on the gas fees, as they can fluctuate depending on network congestion. Uniswap is ideal for direct trading, but lacks the in-depth analytics of DEXTools. So, DEXTools is best for active traders and researchers who need advanced analytics and real-time data. Uniswap is the go-to platform for direct, decentralized token swaps. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual trading style and needs. Now you can decide which platform will lead you to trading in the light.